Hello, Scrappy friends. Rebecca here, and I have July 1st, a new Close to My Heart catalog. So many fun things in here. So, get a little unboxing. This is the stuff. Oops, sorry. Let me get those out of the way, actually. Okay. Ta-da! Alright, so first up is the Summer Vibes collection. Look how pretty that is. So, I went and I got the Summer Vibes paper packet plus sticker sheet, which is $9.95. I got just the paper packet, which is $6.95. Paper packet, sticker sheet. I got the coordinating cardstock for $9.95. I believe I also got the My Life cards for $6.50. Just some really fun stuff in here. I got the Summer Vibes scrapbooking workshop kit. Words are hard today. That is $29.95, and you get lots of stuff. I'll show you. I opted to not get the page protectors, I believe, in this one. But I love all these things. So, and that's why I got that Cool Mint Stickles, was because it goes with these layouts, and I think I'm going to scrap lift these. That's the card making kit, and that's the next one. Okay, so let's start with the cardstock. Maybe. So, as you guys know, Close to My Heart cardstock comes in two different shades. So, here is the first color, and I have no idea what it is, so let's just look it up. It comes with two sheets of White Daisy, Smoothie, Nectarine, Lemonade, Fern, and Glacier. So, this is Smoothie, and it's a light and dark side. This is going to be the Nectarine, light and dark side. It's thick. Lemonade. I knew there was an extra one on that Nectarine, light and dark side. The Glacier, light and dark side. Fern, light and dark side. And White Daisy. I mean, I'll flip it, but not really a light and dark side. Maybe there's. So you get 12 sheets of that. Like I said, that's $9.95, and it's really thick cardstock. So this is the paper pack, and in the paper pack you get 6 sheets, 2 of each, 3 double-sided. So we'll go through them, but I got also the Summer Vibes paper packet plus sticker sheet. And that is $9.95. The paper packet is just $6.95. So here's the cool sticker sheet. And as you can see, some of them have shiny and some don't. Here's the first sheet. And there's the back of it. Ooh. It's like summery. It reminds me of strawberries. There's the second sheet. And the third sheet. And then I ordered the paper packet so that I can have more. Because I found out, with my first order with the Stitch Together and the Blue Skies, I wanted more. Here are the Summer Vibes Picture My Life cards. These are $6.50. And I actually like the square ones better. I'm doing my Project Life right now, and it's all rounded. So then I have to go through and round everything. So here's just a flip through. So cute. Oh, there's little bitty ants. Gonna have to have a picnic. I love summertime. And here are the 4x6 cards. I like to use these for photo mats. Ooh, that's like 3D. Trim your photo down just a smidge. I love to see you shine. So there's that. And the Summer Vibes Workshop Kit, which I'm totally loved. The Blue Skies Workshop Kit. So yeah, I will definitely be getting these from now on. There's lots in here. Oh, you know what? Okay, yeah, you can order these separately, but look how cute these little things are. They're acrylic shapes. Oh, Lord, I'm dropping them all. There's like little sunglasses. It's gonna spell summer. There's all kinds of hearts. Flippy flops. Palm trees. My life is falling. Yeah, look at the little flip flop. Maybe you can, I don't know. That's so cute. And those are in the lemonade and I believe the smoothie color. This looks like just some trash. I'm just gonna throw those away. Oh, and you get stars, hearts and stars. So yes, those are fabulous. And I was gonna order these separately, but then I seen they came in the workshop kit. So I was like, what a deal, what a deal. All right. And so we get all our photo mats. Now this is going to make 3 layouts. Actually, I didn't get the workshop kit on the Blue Skies. I got the cut above kit. Should have got the workshop kit. So it looks like you're gonna make this, this, and this. So it's 3 double page layouts, right? Or no, single, double. Cute. And then again, sticker sheet. And you get all the papers. And you get cardstock. So you got the black cardstock, you got the nectarine cardstock, you got some white daisy, lots of white daisy cardstock in here. Lots of white daisy cardstock. And then these are the die cuts. Some hearts. Little watermelons. Oh, look at how cute. Oh, I'm breaking them all apart, and I don't want to break them apart yet. Ooh, look at that yellow. Oh, and another piece. Not sure. All right, let me put this all up and then we'll go through the next one. All right, second up we have the Timber Collection kit. And I got the paper packet and sticker sheet, $9.95. The Timber, just the paper packet, $6.95. Coordinating cardstock, $9.95. Not sure on the Picture My Life cards. We'll find that out in a minute. Those are $6.50. Just some fun stamps and stuff. I didn't get any stamps. I have tons of stamps. I got the workshop kit. I can't remember if I did it with or without. With the page protectors, it's $34.95, and without it's $29.95. So. All right. So let's start 2 of each on the cardstock, the coordinating cardstock. And I'm trying to build up my cardstock from close to my heart, so this works out just perfectly for, just under $10. You get 12 sheets. And it's thick. Like it's thick cardstock. So you get 2 each of black. So black is black. And then you get 2 each of the toffee. Light and dark side. This is going to be the French vanilla. So it's just a smidge off from the white daisy, which is totally cool. 2 each of the ruby, light and dark. 2 each of the New England ivy, light and dark. 2 each of the espresso, light and dark. And then, oh, I did get the, all right, so then I got the paper packet. And I got the paper packet plus the sticker sheet. So here's the sticker sheet. Channel the flannel. All right, first one. Ooh, love the plaid. I like the trees, but I really like the plaid. And look at that zip strip. It looks like knitted. Oh, wood grain. Dang it. Oh, and final on the back. Oh, well, it's gonna be tough right there because I like the wood grain for backgrounds. Cute. I like that one. And the Picture My Life cards, which are $6.50. I've loved you since the day I first saw you. And it's a saw. I guess it didn't matter which way I flipped them. I was going to be wrong. Be brave, be bold. Forge your trail. Adventure this way. Oh, these are so cute. So those are the 3x4. Yep. 4x6. I have loved the stars too fondly to be fearful of the night. Limited edition, handmade quality. Wait, that was not. Love this guy. Oh, that's cute, like a little twine. Moose head. Work hard, stay humble. Get lost in the pine trees. King of my heart. Oh. And now the workshop kits. Again, all the photo placements. Makes 3 layouts. Oh, it does tell you, like, additionally what you need, like watercolor pencils, journaling pen, 3D foam tape, scissors, ruler, pencil. Alright, and these are the die cuts, but they're thick, heavy cardstock almost. So here's the sticker sheet again. And then you get the papers. And then you get cardstock with it. And lots of white daisy cardstock. And then here's the die cuts again. More die cuts, I should say. And some additional paper. Not real sure. But we will figure that out together. Alright, one more thing to show you. Alright, last but not least, we have what they call the mix-ins. So I did get the mix-in paper packet and the mix-in coordinating cardstock. And basically these expand your creative options with the mix-in papers designed to coordinate seamlessly with the other paper collections. So it goes with Timber and Summer Vibes. And the paper packet is $6.95 and the cardstock is $5.95. So here's the cardstock, and you get 1 each of Smoothie, Peach, New England Ivy, Sapphire, Glacier, and Toffee. And then there is another collection in this, but I don't have it yet. It's still coming. So there's this sheet. Now these are single side. I mean, there's not doubles of them. Obviously, you can get doubles. Alright, there's that. And this is the third, and it is the Happiest Place. So there's the cool sticker sheet, and then the papers in here. Super excited for this one. Coordinating cardstock, which looks like it is the UV treated again. Or no, I'm sorry, it is one-sided silver foil patterns. So that's kind of cool. So excited. And then some new shimmer pens and stuff. So yeah, if you would like one of these catalogs or to place an order, I'll leave my link below. So thumbs up and thanks. Bye.